Alors voilà, du coup, contre toute attente et à la demande du public, on va commencer la session Tu cliques ou tu pointes de Gabriel Knight, Sins of the Father. J'ai été chercher mon petit jus d'orange parce qu'il n'y a plus de bière, forcément. Donc quand il n'y a plus de bière, on boit du jus d'orange. C'est bien connu. Rue Bourbon. Formidable. C'est écrit là. Roman graphique, nouvelle partie. J'aurais dû laisser en anglais peut-être. Oh, ça fait peur. Nouvelle partie. Allez. Et voilà, c'est la fin. Allez, à plus. Ah, et merci Verjanus pour le follow. Je n'avais pas vu. Yo Ferrigno. Yo Valmont, que je n'avais pas vu.
Mm-hmm. I bet. Just a minute. It lives, I see. Do you want to speak with Lolita? I'm I'm sorry, but Gabriel's allowed. I mean, he's out. You know, you could do better. I know I don't know you, but you could do better. Bye-bye. Good morning. You look like hell. Did you have another nightmare last night?
Yes, because having nightmares is what I do, apparently. 7th damn night in a row.
I told you, it's that voodoo book you're researching. That stuff can seriously screw with your karma.
Unfortunately, I don't think my readers would go for a horror novel about fluffy bunny rabbits. So voodoo it is.
You mean your reader? She lives in Wisconsin, doesn't she?
Bite me.
Hey, what goes on in your bed stays in your bed as far as I'm concerned. I have messages for you when you want them.
Alors oui, c'est un remake. C'est la version 20e anniversaire. Mais respectez Gabriel Knight 2, quoi, au bout d'un moment. Je crois pas, quoi.
Got a minute, Grace?
What's up?
What do you know about voodoo?
I didn't know much of anything about it until you started researching it for your book. Now I know that it's active in the city. There's that shop and museum. It can clearly be dangerous in the wrong hands. You should be careful investigating it.
Alors la localisation a l'air d'être faite avec le cul. Entre les vous et les tu qui se mélangent, ça va être chouette.
What do you know about voodoo?
Ah non, non,
Told
en fait
you
je
all I
sais.
know.
En fait-
Sorry, I can't be more help.
Oui, ferme-la. En fait, c'est-à-dire qu'il va poser la question que savez-vous du vaudou tout au long du jeu, et au lieu de différencier selon à qui il parle, ils ont mis vous à tout le monde. Voilà. C'est génial.
What do you know about the voodoo
Voilà. Que
murders?
savez-vous?
Just what I read in the papers, same as you.
What do you know?
You won't get far questioning me about it, Sherlock.
Did you find any good voodoo resources for me?
The best in the city are supposedly the Dixieland Drugstore and the Historical Museum of Voodoo. Both are right here in the French Quarter.
How would I ever manage without you?
You? Give me a break. The devil himself couldn't change you.
Well, if the devil had great legs, perhaps. Like yours.
And a riveting personality, I'm sure. If you need any more research done, just ask. It's not as though we're swamped with customers.
C'est vrai que le doublage de Gabriel est un peu dégueulasse. Ça, c'est pas faux. ça.
What can you tell me about Gnarlings?
I've only been here 2 months, but I love it. It's so much more alive than any place I've been. It feels like anything's possible here.
What else can you tell me about Gnarlings?
You're the native. Don't ask me.
Ah, d'accord.
Do you have messages for me?
Your friend Detective Mosley called. Talkative, isn't he?
Especially with you. What did he want?
He told me to tell you that his mother's maiden name is Humphrey, and that he left some photos for you at the station, at the front desk.
It's about time.
Let me guess. This has to do with the voodoo murders, right? Some kind of inside police information? Did you tell him you'd put him in your new book?
Maybe. A writer has a certain obligation to his readers, you know.
Gabriel, you know you'll never put him in your book. Your main character's a female orthodontist. You're gonna be reincarnated as a pit bull if you keep screwing with your karma.
As long as it's a male pit bull with a really big.
That's enough. Thanks.
Je me rappelais pas de ça dans le jeu original. Mais bon.
Do you have messages for me?
You got a call from someone named Wolfgang Ritter. He was calling
Oh.
from Germany. He told me it was urgent. Maybe you should give him a call.
Oh, Germany. Like hell. If it's really important, he'll call back.
Well, fine. Let's just hope he's not with the German lottery for pitiful American authors.
C'est vrai que... La voix de Gabriel, quoi. Bon, allez. On fait comme si que c'était pas grave.
Do you have...
Your
I keep
grandmother
meaning to
called.
get over there. What did she say?
She sounded great. We had a nice little chat
Grace.
about. Don't worry.
Pourquoi
I
ça
can
skip
go
n'importe
into
comment?
detail about your cardinal sins. Not that anything about you could surprise her. She adores you anyway.
She's my girl.
And she sent over that box on the table for you.
C'est bon, il y a plus de message.
Do you have...
Dana called and Susie left a message
Awesome.
about a... Okie dokie.
D'accord.
Tell me about yourself, Grace.
What do you want to know?
Oh.
No. Could you do some research for me?
Sure, what?
I can't think of anything.
Ah, et normalement c'est le personnage de Gabriel qui est comme ça, mais c'est vrai que là c'est un peu trop poussé quoi. Un peu over the top. Du coup c'était pas des conneries hein, quand on voyait l'acteur dans le...
I can go
Dans
through
le-
the rest of that stuff some other time.
Dans le numéro 2 quoi, quand tu es l'acteur qui faisait un peu
The box
n'importe
has
quoi.
Gabriel's name on it, written in his grandmother's handwriting.
D'accord.
Today's newspaper is on the counter. Times dated June 18th, 1993. The Aquarius horoscope says, potential storms ahead. Proceed with caution and do not get involved with anything new at this time.
Right.
Times dated
Alors comment on accepte... C'est quoi ça? Ah d'accord. Carnet de croquis, ça c'est l'inventaire j'imagine. C'est quoi ça? D'accord. Donc ça c'est en gros ce journal qui va rebalancer rebalancer tout ce qu'on aura vu au cours du jeu. Donc ça, donc là, ça répète qu'on a des endroits à aller visiter, que mostly on va devoir aller voir de ce côté-là aussi. Et ça, bon, je ne sais pas ce que c'est. Peut-être juste des croquis des endroits du jeu. Ah mais c'est carrément les storyboards du jeu quoi. Genre un truc qu'on n'a pas envie de voir maintenant quoi. Très bien.
The books on the table have been chosen for their special appeal. Recent fiction by the biggies. In other words, nothing written by Gabriel.
Oh. Un petit café?
Good coffee.
Merci pour cette interaction. Parler à la gargouille.
Life is too short to talk to ugly.
You never know it by the women you date.
Oh la vache. C'est pas le mal hein.
Cute gargoyle, eh?
The gargoyle has no function but sheer ugliness. Not unlike... Oh, never mind. It's a book about the world of snakes.
Hey, that's interesting. Snakes can sense their prey by vibration.
Did you know that medieval legends about dragons and giant worms are actually based on snakes? You know, dragons, devils, sea monsters. They've always been associated with snakes.
Grace, get alive.
Vache, ça parle mal, hein. Ah, allemand-anglais.
Gabriel leafs through a German-English dictionary.
Draken means dragons. I wonder if Mosley would know he was being insulted if I called him Drakenbreath. Drei Drachen kriegen in meinen Schlaf, die Seele wühlen sie, lebendig zum Fraß. Feurigen Atems, gespaltener Sonne, genießen sie jedes Mal.
That's nice. Kinda creepy, though. Who's the author?
Heinz Ritter. I'm not sure what it says, but I get the feeling this guy was one sick puppy.
Évidemment, si c'est un Ritter, c'est un de nos ancêtres. C'est la bonne blague. Donc ça on a fait, oui. Très bien.
Those keychains were for a promo I tried once, before I realized it was hopeless. Gracie's resume. She was way overqualified. And also the only person who applied. I practically own stock in these guys. Mind if I borrow the magnifying glass?
No, Sherlock. Just bring it back when we get the next estate shipment.
Not so lucky for the rabbit, was it? The Blake Backlash series. My literary claim to fame, such as it is. You can't take 2 steps down Bourbon Street without ending up with a strand of beads. Just a few self-help books. That one on top was a joke gift from Mosley. I forget where that came from, but seems like a nice place to visit. I'm going to take the tweezers for a bit.
Good. You're beginning to look a bit scruffy.
I always had a thing for St. George, the one who slew a dragon. Yeah, it's probably bigger than this little guy, though. That's from Graham. She likes to think it means someone's watching over me. I'm not so sure about that, but I don't have the heart to get rid of it. Local interest piece on the store. It didn't garner the sympathy sales I was hoping for. Someone left those here after Mardi Gras.
Ok.
Grace keeps her art supplies here. Gabriel wouldn't dare touch Grace's oil. Gabriel looks at the cash register, checking for
C'est rigolo ça. Ah oui, c'est Grace Nakimura.
Gabriel opens the cash register to examine the take, or in the case of St. George's books, the mistake. It's a $20 gift certificate left over from yet another dismal failure of a promotion.
I trust you can live without this old gift certificate.
Knock yourself out.
That doesn't work that way. The cash register contains about $20 in small bills and change.
Gabriel, that's all the change I have. Touch it and you can kiss your hand goodbye.
Would I do that to you?
The old desk is one Gabriel picked up near a dumpster. Not too shabby, huh? Well, okay, maybe it is. 3 snakes in a skull. Gabriel's father painted it.
What a wacky offbeat kind of guy Daddy was.
Nope, no safe full of money back there.
Renardaise. Bon. Ouais, hein. La voix de Gabriel est assez insupportable, mais je pense qu'on va s'y faire, peut-être.
I don't need to, thanks.
D'accord.
My bathroom. I've got to get around to cleaning up in there.
Ah, est-ce qu'il y a de la bière?
A little cold bubbly and brie cheese is about all Gabriel's fridge ever has in it.
J'ai quand même envie de vérifier.
Gabriel, shut that refrigerator, please. Oh, I can smell it from here.
Oh la vache.
Winner.
The closet is loaded with white t-shirts. There's one black button-down for those fancy occasions.
I might be able to use this black shirt.
Oh, c'est relativement récent, c'est pour les 20 ans, le remake, donc je ne sais pas. Bah, à part peut-être le doublage et quelques erreurs de localisation en français, ça va. C'est plutôt cool.
I might need a flashlight.
Ah. Et va voir sur YouTube, sinon. Adieu. Ah oui, non, mais du coup, je l'ai pas. Là, pour le retrouver, ça va être l'enfer. Ouais. Mais c'est le mot quiproquo qui n'a pas de traduction en allemand.
The phone is cheap, but functional.
Ah bon, d'accord.
The dresser holds a meager supply of underwear and 38 pairs of mismatched socks.
Alors j'avais déjà fait, mais un peu distrait, et je crois, avec pas mal d'aide, donc du coup, je repars quasiment tout nu, comparé à Gabriel Knight 2, que je connais plutôt pas mal à côté. Non mais va-t'en, voilà.
A poster on the wall.
Est-ce qu'on a des gens à appeler? Oui, d'accord. On va appeler le Père Noël.
The number you have dialed has been disconnected. Please hang up and try your call again. This is a recording.
Le numéro du Père Noël ne marche pas. Le macabre. Commode. Allez, on arrête.
I'll just leave it on.
Bah oui. Il fait jour et il laisse la lumière allumée.
Let sleeping lions lie. I got that cheap at a garage sale. Always had a thing for lions.
Allez, on va dormir.
It's no use. I can't sleep.
D'accord.
Gabriel's desk has been gathering dust since he wrote his last novel.
Can't. Writer's block.
The typewriter is too.
Ouais, d'accord.
If I threw those pages away,
The wastebasket overflows.
Do you have men problems? Someone put a hex on you? Call Sister Cross. Through the power of love and the Lord Jesus Christ, she can...
Ouais, d'accord.
Several dozen books, including a few of Gabriel's novels, occupy the shelves above his desk. Gabriel doesn't feel like...
C'est le premier, enfin c'est le remake du premier jeu de la série. Donc avant le jeu en FMV Top LOL auquel on a joué il y a quelques temps. Bon bah apparemment dans la piole on n'a plus rien d'autre à faire. Je pense. Allez, est-ce qu'on dit des trucs un peu beaufs à Grace avant de partir? Qu'est-ce que ça fait ça?
Don't mind if I do.
Do what?
Oh, nothing.
Oui, bon, déjà ça c'est un peu beauf déjà, voilà. Oh, on va lui mettre la lumière dans la gueule.
Does this mean anything to you?
Ah, c'est une lampe, trop de balles.
It's your flashlight. You know, something you can actually turn on.
Oh! Yo Louis. Non, Dio, il y a que le 2 qui est en FMV. Il écoute jamais le gars. Il y a que le 2 qui était en FMV. Allô, Dio, tu m'entends ou pas? La version originale, c'est la même en plus moche, il y a des nouveautés. Bah, il me semble que c'est la même. Hein. C'est la même chose, sauf que oui, c'est pas tout pixel vieux, quoi. On aurait pu jouer à l'original, hein. Parce que l'original était pas moche en fait. Mais c'est juste que je pense que c'est un peu plus simple d'interagir avec le décor sur le remake que sur l'ancien, quoi. C'est un des trucs qui m'avait un peu rebuté parce que quand t'as pas l'habitude, c'est comme Monkey Island 1. C'est un peu chaud de savoir où tu peux cliquer ou quoi. Donc manteau.
Dramatic, isn't it? Gabriel didn't eat for 3 weeks after splurging on that coat. He has a thing for black leather.
D'accord. On va aller se promener.
I'm out of here. Try not to sell out the store while I'm gone.
Uh-huh.
Donc ça c'est notre librairie et du coup au début on a parlé du musée et de la pharmacie. Et il faut aller voir notre copain à la police.
The Dixieland drugstore is closed
Ah.
until tomorrow morning.
Très bien.
Posted on the door of the...
Ah mais vous êtes chiant, on va aller là. Le Gewiz. Putain mais ce look de... Ah, c'est la même musique qu'avec la BR. Y a pas de traduction. Ah, formidable. Voilà. Petit remix. Moto, allez, moto de police.
Gabriel has his own bike.
Ah bon.
Interesting design for a trash can. Must have been on sale at Cops R Us. A portrait of the Nolans Chief of Police, a fine, upstanding citizen. In other words, nothing like Gabriel.
Je suis pas fatigué. Alors.
Got a second, officer? What can I do you for? I'm here to see Detective Mosley.
He's out at a crime scene. Sorry.
I was supposed to pick up some photos from Detective Mosley at the front desk.
Is that right? And who are you?
My name is Knight. Gabriel Knight.
Yeah, I got something for you, all right. As soon as you're done talking, I'll give it to you.
What can you tell me about the voodoo murders?
I'm not allowed to give out information on police cases.
What can you tell me
Ah,
about
là, il dit tu au
Marley?
flic, mais il a dit vous à
I'll
Grace.
tell you.
Grace
Glad as hell
Nakamura.
it's not Mardi Gras. If it weren't for that 1 month a year, being a cop in Narlands would be a real pleasure. As it is, I'd rather stick behind this desk.
Where's the crime scene? Is it related to the voodoo murders?
Crime scene information is police confidential. We don't need any more looky-loos than are probably already there.
Tell me about yourself.
Who, me? I'm the desk sergeant, Frick. Why?
Rick?
That's right. You got a problem with that?
Not at all.
Mais chat, c'est pas le chat, c'est discuter, j'imagine.
Hey, nice
D'accord.
precinct.
Donc mauvaise
Think
traduction.
so, huh? That's peachy. That means more to me than you could know.
Kinda quiet.
Summer's like that. Too muggy to mug, too hot to
How
have.
clever.
It's a gift. Here's that envelope for you, Gabriel Knight.
Thanks. Officer, can I ask you some questions?
Desk sergeant's right over there.
Gabriel can't do that from the front lobby. The envelope from... Gabriel opens the manila envelope and finds 2 photographs. The photograph of Mosley was apparently taken upon his graduation from the police academy. He had hair then. One of the photos from Mosley is an official Voodoo Murders crime scene shot, a graphic close-up of a victim. One of the photos from Mosley is an official Voodoo Murders crime scene shot, a graphic close-up of a victim.
Ah ouais, quand même. Cette musique va me tuer, hein. On va se barrer. Putain, donc il y a même la musique dehors, quoi. Très bien.
The bulletin board is littered with everything from wanted posters to flyers. There's a tempest. Gabriel can't do that.
Ok. Donc du coup, où est-ce qu'on en était?
The photograph of Mosley was apparently taken.
D'accord, c'est tout. Formidable. C'est ça qui vaudrait mieux aller au bar.
The front windows have iron half grills on them, as if anyone would try to break into a police station.
Bah oui, personne ne ferait
The
ça.
half grills prevent Gabriel from opening.
Quoi? Mais non.
The half grills.
Mais c'est le bureau de Mosley.
That's Mosley's office. The half grills prevent.
Oh.
should add Mosley to the hat.
If Gabriel wants to talk to Mosley,
That window leads to
Ah oui, mais faut y aller. Allez. Oh.
You've already got me, you.
it's another municipal building. It's a black shirt.
Joe Virginius. Ouais, bah il fait pas.
Posted on the
C'est toujours fermé, ça, toujours
C'est
fermé,
Dixie.
oui, d'accord.
The chancel of St. Louis Cathedral consists of a raised dais, an altar, 2 pedestals, and a choir area.
C'est quoi ça? Ah d'accord. Très bien. Allez, on va aller se confesser.
Someone is in that confessional.
Ah non, on peut pas.
At least the cherub is an aesthetic way of asking for donations. Gabriel might need the goodwill, but he can't afford.
Je vois.
Rows of pews line each side of Danae's aisle.
Yo JQQ. Et il va falloir que je le répète combien de fois. Il n'y a que le 2 qui est en FMV. Quoi? Ah, les babos. Les babos qui jouent de la guitare dans les parcs. Et du djembé. Si j'ai foutu une tarte au lieu... Ah non. Ah, j'ai envie de voir ce qu'il y a. Oh la vache!
You white-faced geek, you want to eat my fist?
Voilà, je savais bien qu'il allait se passer ça.
It's one of those mimes. Oh boy. Since Gabriel can't read lips, he's disinclined to start a conversation.
Tiens, donne-lui des coups de lampe. Ça marche pas. Ouais, barrez-vous, condomine.
Nice flowers. Not that a real man would notice something like that.
D'accord.
Well, I never. Leave me alone, you man.
Ah, espèce de sale mec. C'est qui le sale mec?
Good day, officer.
Yeah, you too. Keep moving.
Oh la vache.
Gabriel prefers his own bike. Besides, even Mosley couldn't get him out of that one.
There's a police band radio on that bike.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Mind if I use your radio?
What are you, nuts? Forget it.
Touchy.
Well, I never. Leave me alone, you man.
The band isn't paying any attention to Gabriel.
You white-faced geek, you want to eat my fist?
Hey there, nice beat. I dig it.
The drummer does not respond.
Oh la vache. Pourquoi j'ai plus de souris? Je ne sais pas.
Knock it off, you, before I shove this washboard down your throat.
Ok, d'accord, je vois le genre.
Hello, beautiful. It's me.
The excitement of seeing you is killing me.
Got a minute, Grace?
What's up?
You want to see something really cool?
Oh, that's disgusting. That's really horrible.
I know, great, isn't it?
God, somebody ought to lock you up.
Ah, c'est vrai que du coup, l'original paraissait un peu plus crasseux, quoi. C'est con qu'il n'y ait pas un truc à la Monkey Island où tu pouvais passer de la version originale à la version remake. Mais bon. Mais laissez mon bot tranquille, putain, vache. Plus j'ai mis ma photo dans le message, c'est bon quoi. Et du coup, je sais pas, est-ce que les autres trucs sont fermés? C'est le score en gros.
I'll be back.
Have fun.
C'est le score que tu récupères quand tu trouves des objets que tu interagis quoi. Non, là il y a bien un nombre de jours dans celui-là, mais je crois que c'est 3 ou 4, je sais plus. Alors ça c'est fermé, là on a été, là il n'y a rien à faire, et là on s'emmerde, c'est le bordel, il y a les Sims.
The sign says the overlook's closed for repairs until...
D'accord, donc ça c'est fermé aussi. Mais je crois qu'on peut se mettre dans la merde tout seul en passant les jours, je crois. Mais en n'ayant pas rempli certains objectifs. Ah mais oui, du coup il faut squatter à côté du flic pour avoir des infos radio en fait.
There's a police band radio on that bike.
The homicide team, please attending. We're gonna need an ambulance.
Est-ce qu'il faut pas ramener le... Non, mais... Oh. Est-ce qu'il faut pas ramener l'autre trou de balle par là, Bon, il est où Bidule là? Ah, il est là.
You white-faced geek, you wanna eat my fist?
Non, mais machin. Bah on pouvait interagir avec lui. Oh, le jeu a l'air bourré, hein. Vache.
Since Gabriel.
Allez, suis-moi. Pourquoi il sort du parc? Vache. Ah, j'ai cliqué sur ça en fait. Ok, le jeu est scripté et bourré en même temps, c'est formidable.
You white-faced geek, you wanna eat my fist?
Putain mais marche. Ah la vache. Putain l'enfer quoi.
Well, I never. Leave me alone, you man.
Sale mec.
Mind if I use your radio?
What are you nut?
Touchy. He's not my type.
Ah d'accord.
Gabriel can't bend the bars. He's too big to fit through them. And ooh.
Je vois. Bon, il faut un moyen pour distraire le fric. Le fric. Oui. Il faut distraire le fric pour pouvoir parler à sa radio. Voilà.
A police officer is either off duty or patrolling the park. Or both.
Ouais, si seulement j'en avais un.
I would if I had
You
enough time
white-faced
to...
geek, you wanna eat my fist?
properly.
Donc une guitare électrique sans ampli, hein.
Coroner requests assistance to... The homicide team, please attending.
Well, I never. Leave me alone, you man.
Je sais, on va le cramer à la loupe, le flic. Et du coup, non, ça ne marche pas. Oui, voilà. Comment on peut occuper le flic? À part avec l'autre tâche.
Homicide team, please attending.
On peut pas faire flipper la dame avec le mime qui la suit. Comment ça la faire flipper? On peut pas la faire flipper plus que...
People seem to be enjoying the park, despite the lack of sunshine.
Sauf si on lui montre une photo du meurtre, elle va gueuler. Ça marche pas apparemment. C'est vraiment suspect, hein. Ces mecs qui juste tournent en rond autour de ce truc là. C'est pas du tout étrange.
You white-faced geek, you wanna eat my fist?
Le problème c'est que j'ai pas grand chose sous la main. En objet je veux dire. Allez. On va le soudoyer. Non, même pas.
The $20 gift certificate for St. George's looks pitifully new and unused.
Non, ça montre pas la photo. Y'a pas l'interaction.
I don't need any flowers. They'd probably just get crushed on my bike.
We're gonna need an ambulance.
You white-faced geek, you wanna eat my fist?
Ouais, il s'est téléporté.
Since Gabriel can't read lips, he's disinclined. A Cajun band, inventive as always with their instruments, is having a good old time on the lawn. Funny how catchy that toe tapping can be.
Ah bah le backseat c'est du backseat, hein. Peu importe que tu connaisses ou pas le jeu. Hein. Allez, on fait tous la chenille.
Well, I never. Leave me alone, you
I
you
would if I had
man.
enough time to.
Oh là là, putain, mais c'est de pire en pire, là. Qu'est-ce qui se passe avec le jeu, quoi? Le jeu est bourré, allô? Allô? Le... Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? C'est le gars, il en a marre. Oh la vache!
Benches provide a quiet spot for resting in the park.
I don't need any flowers.
Well, I never. Leave me alone, you man.
Anyone seen Joe?
Voyou, con de mime, là. Ah oui, il est là, toujours là.
Since Gabriel can't read lit,
Ah mais j'ai compris ça, tu le dis à chaque fois. Oh, il est passé juste entre nous quoi.
Well, I never. Leave me alone, you man.
C'est l'angoisse, c'est les téléportations. Allez, juste là. Allez, battez-vous. Battez-vous maintenant.
You white-faced geek, you wanna eat my fist?
Coroner requests assistance to...
Ah mais là, il doit me manquer un truc, ce que je vois pas. C'est vrai qu'on pourrait aller sur GameFAQs, hein. On pourrait. Peut-être demain.
it's one of those.
Oh putain.
Coroner requests assistance to...
You white-faced...
Ah, cette musique.
Does this mean anything to you?
Hey, where'd you get that?
Nowhere.
Well, you shouldn't have that. Put it away before I decide to keep it.
Yes, sir.
La vache.
Does this mean anything to you?
It's a police academy graduation photo. What of it?
Just checking.
D'accord.
He doesn't seem interested.
Mhm.
Can I bother you again, officer?
What is it this time?
Come on, you can tell me where the crime scene is.
Look, I know the paper's got everybody stirred up about these killings, but that don't make it public information. Back off.
So this is a new voodoo murder then?
Hey, I didn't say that. You'll read all about it in the papers tomorrow. I'm sure.
It's not going to look any better somewhere else. The police station is in a classic French Quarter building.
C'est vrai qu'il y a un petit air Patrick Julien. Bon, bah, on va y retourner, hein. La musique va me tuer. Qu'est-ce qui se passe sur Twitter? Quoi? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? D'accord. Donc alors... un parc, un mime, un labyrinthe, un melon, un rêve. Pourquoi? Je vais vous péter vos trucs, les gars.
You white-faced geek, you wanna eat my fist?
Je vais tout brûler. Je vais tout brûler, ça sera rigolo. Allez. Foutage de gueule intense, hein.
Hey, cut that out. I told you to stop that. All right, mister, you want some of this?
Homicide team, please attending.
Why, you little...
Ah, la gogolerie. On dirait un chat Twitch.
Gabriel picks up the headset and listens.
Ambulance 91, have you located the crime scene? They've radioed for you 3 times. Did you say it was north of the Lake Retreat Country Club? South, Lakeside Drive, north of the Piedmont Pier, south of the Country Club. Man, I don't know if it's the clouds out here today or what. Good thing this guy's already dead. Everyone's having trouble. Must have been hallucinogens in the coffee this morning. It's just so misty out here or something. Hey, I see a squad car. I got him, Molly. Thank God. Have a good one, 91.
Interesting.
Hey, you, get away from that bike.
Sorry.
Ah, tout c'est relatif, il fallait amener le mime jusqu'au flic sans croiser un des deux autres sur le chemin parce que sinon il allait changer de cible quoi. Donc voilà, c'était juste ça. Où est mon pointeur? Alors, sortie gna. C'est pareil en fait. Le lac Pontchartrain. Tiens donc. Je pense que ça va rappeler quelque chose à Landry.
Huh? Knight, you wiener, I told you not to call me that.
Feeling jumpy?
Who, me? Don't be stupid. How'd you find me?
Oh, I was just driving by.
Uh-huh. Well, I guess I can let you see it for the book, but don't tell anyone, huh? Definitely another voodoo murder. Same MO and no freaking clues. We're still waiting on an ID for the body.
Oh, that's disgusting. Isn't this a rather public area for this kind of thing?
Yeah, they're freaking ghosts, these guys. Lakeshore Drive isn't exactly the 10 expressway, but it is open to the public. No reports of nothing. Now, who the hell is that? Good day, Miss Getty.
What's going on, officer?
Detective Mosley, ma'am. We got a little problem here, but nothing for you to be concerned about.
I see. Thank you, Detective. And good day, gentlemen.
I'm in love.
Forget it. That's Molly at Getty. She's about as far out of your reach as the moon. Probably on her way to meet some guy with a yacht right now.
Near here?
The lake's a popular place for country clubs.
If she's out here a lot, maybe she saw something or heard something.
Nah, nobody ever sees or hears nothing. I told you. Besides, you just don't go around bothering people like her.
We've about wrapped it up, sir.
Well, let's get the meat wagon moving then. Stick around and take notes for the book if you want. Watch out for the muck and the water moccasins, though. If you want to talk, I'll be at the station tomorrow.
Thanks.
C'est vrai que ce Nightbot est quand même assez agressif. Hein. Il faut revoir les chiffres à la baisse. Parce qu'il est très présent quand même. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a?
There's a pattern to the lines in the sand, but only one small area is clearly defined.
Ugh, that's a lot of blood.
Oui.
Gabriel can't take the lines without some help.
Mais il n'y a pas de quoi noter. C'est imbécile.
Let me try to copy this down.
Ah, légère suite Larry, oui. On va dessiner le sang aussi.
That doesn't
Quoi?
seem to work.
Allez, dessine-moi du sang.
That doesn't work that way.
Ouais, mais Larry, c'est rigolo.
Looks like there was something here. I should take a closer look.
Bah, vas-y.
The marks are actually deep indentations in a regular mesh pattern. The marks are
Oui, oui.
I can't even see what I'm trying to pick up. I need a better look.
something small. It looks like a scale of some sort. The scale is too... Gabriel carefully uses the tweezers to take the small, iridescent scale.
I think it's a snake scale.
Oui, c'est vrai que je pense que c'est un gaufrier qui a fait ça.
Lake Pontchartrain is impressive. It measures 24 miles across and stretches as far as the eye can see.
On va retenir la piste du gaufrier. Hein. Je pense qu'on a nos chances avec ça.
Gabriel is carrying a scale he found near the crime scene at Lake Pontchartrain.
Un gaufrier à écailles. Hein. Donc peut-être une tortue ninja qui fait des gaufres, je sais pas. Bah du coup on peut rentrer à la maison, voilà. On a résolu l'affaire. Allez, salut. Est-ce qu'il nous reste des choses là? Banque, c'est quoi? De quoi est banque?
I'll take some of this clay with me.
The banks of Lake Pontchartrain are rich with clay deposits.
Ils ont traduit rive comme ça. Bon bah la localisation elle est pourrie. Voilà. Donc on a ramassé de la terre aussi, c'est ça? Ouais.
Gabriel is carrying a lump of clay from the banks of Lake Pontchartrain.
Non, on va y aller. Hein.
Lakeshore.
Ah non, j'ai dit on va y aller. Ah mais comment on se casse là? Ah d'accord. Je n'en ai. De toute façon moi aussi normalement je devrais être couché. On va pas jouer très longtemps ce soir. Ça, je commence à fatiguer. Du coup, on fera une session 2 plus longue que ça. Alors, du coup, qu'est-ce qu'on a On va peut-être demander à Grace de faire des recherches. C'est ce qu'on a
Hello,
trouvé.
beautiful. It's me.
The excitement of seeing you is killing me.
Oh.
Got a minute, Grace?
What's up?
Could you do some research for me?
Sure, what?
Could you see what you can find out about a woman named Malia Getty?
The name Getty sounds familiar. What's your interest in her?
Oh, just, you know, stuff about the voodoo murders. If you can get an address.
The murders, right. I'll see what I can find out. Well, it's about closing time.
So it is. Good night, Gracie.
Good night, Gabriel.
Ah, donc on a fini le jour 1.
Try not to dream, okay?
Du coup, ce serait une bonne excuse pour arrêter le stream. Je l'emmène.
Good morning. Don't you look swell today? Actually, swollen. So have some. There's a fresh pot on the table. Seriously, you look like hell. Your hair is sticking straight up like a... Oh, it always does that. Never mind.
Ha ha.
Did you dream about the fire and the hanged guy and that lion thing last night?
Leopard, not lion. Did you get anything on Malia Getty?
Well, I did get her address, but you're a little out of your league here, big fella. The Gettys own 3 local hospitals, just to name a few of their assets. They run in very high circles.
Did you get an address?
I got the address. I suppose this has nothing to do with the fact that Malia Getty is incredibly gorgeous. I should have known you wouldn't go for a rich, ugly socialite.
And that address is?
Hey, far be it from me to postpone your total humiliation. It's 557 West Ingram. That's the Garden District. Estate City.
That's all I wanted to know. And yes, my dear, Malia Getty is the most dangerous-looking diversion I have ever seen. Ouch.
Ugh, men.
Bon bah sur ces belles paroles, on va sauvegarder. Alors non. Ok. Alors est-ce que ça a marché? C'est ça la vraie question. Oui, c'est bon. Donc du coup,